Hi everyone, it's svgcoop.com and we are working on our newest mini album. It's a pyramid mini album. And this is going to be our binding. So you're going to have a piece that's going to have score marks going all through your piece. And you're just going to basically be folding down and then up and down and up, and it doesn't really matter as long as we get them folded the right way. So with it this way, so it's basically, it's every other mountain and valley. And what we're going to do is you're going to have your long piece here. So you're going to have the first piece here, and we're going to put some score tape in the second little piece here. Give that a good rub. Actually, let me just grab my scraper. Okay, so I'm just going to give that a rub. Pull that off. And you're going to fold over the piece onto that next fold. So that's going to be part of our binding. Okay, then you're going to skip the little one here and put some tape on the next one. Give it a good rub. Pull the tape and fold it over. Okay. Skip the next little one. And you can see how every time we have one of these, that's where we're going to be taping. Fold that, scrape that. So this is going to be a twist on the pyramid mini album. That's kind of a new thing everybody's doing. This one's just going to have pockets and such with it, which is a little different than what everybody else has been doing. So we're kind of testing out this as an option. Hopefully it's going to work. Okay, I'm going to fold that over. And then back. Again, I'm going to skip the little one and go here inside the V. Fold it over. Okay, so eventually what it's going to look like is you're going to have 6 hinges, okay, like this. And then what we're going to do is when you have it listed like this, we're going to put some tape on the end piece here. You're not going to take it off, just put the tape there so it's ready. And you're going to put some tape on the end piece on the other end. Okay, I'm just going to give that a good little rub, and I'm going to put that aside for the minute. Alright, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to cut your pockets and your tags, photo mats that are going to go inside. So I'm going to start with the bottom one. And you're going to have, with each pocket, they're all different sizes. So with the first pocket, you're going to have a piece that has 2 score lines on it. Just going to give that a rub. Fold it on the other side. Okay. And then you're going to have a matching piece that's going to sit on top like this. So I'm going to put some score tape on the outside here, both the top and the bottom. And I'm only going to pull the tape off of one end at first. This makes it a little bit easier to get it to stick without sticking in the wrong place. I'm just going to hold this up. And these are squares, so it won't matter what side you put down first. Okay. lift up this side. Okay. Then you're going to have a photo mat for each one. It'll look like this. It's got a little notch out on the side, and you're going to cut 2 pattern pieces. So I'm just going to, let me see if I can grab my glue. Okay, so I'm just going to glue the pattern paper on. And these are also square, so should be able to just get that right on there. Okay, and the other side. Okay, get that on there. Okay, so basically what's going to happen is when we have our pockets installed, we're just going to sit in like that, and we're going to have a little set of steps that's going to go up our page here. So you're going to do that for 5 more pages, so it's the same thing. You're going to have a small pocket, small tag, and then some pattern paper to go on each side. So I'm not going to videotape doing each one. They're literally exactly the same. So once you get those done, we'll be back. Thanks for watching. Hi everybody. Okay, so we're back and we have our pockets should be all glued together. So here's mine. And we're going to now go back to our binding here. So what we want to do is we're going to put score tape on both sides of all of the hinges. So these are the things that are popping up that are already stuck together. So I'm just going to put some score tape on each side. Like that. Last one. Okay, so we're going to give that a good rub on all the sides. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the largest one and work our way down. So I'm going to pull the score tape off of the ends here. Let me just grab my knife, it'll be a little easier. Okay. And we'll get this side. You're just going to, what we're going to do is we're going to put the pocket, open it up like this, and you're going to center it over the hinge. And once you have it centered, just give it a good squeeze on both sides. And that's going to be our first one. And then this piece here, I'm just going to pull this tape off here, like that. And that's just going to give us a little extra security on the end of our book. Okay, so we're going to do the next one. We'll tape off both sides. next larger pocket. I'm gonna center that and then squeeze. Okay. And then our next one. Okay, 3 to go. Let's pull this one off here. Oops, that one's in there. Okay. And then our last one. Okay, and then you're going to take this little last piece and put that over the top like that. Okay, so basically, once we have all of our pages in here, these are going to sit kind of like this. So it's going to make a nice little pyramid when we have everything installed. So this will go like this, and this is going to get all filled in, and we'll be good to go. So I'm just going to slip my little pockets in here for now so we get all of our pages made. And the reason we started to do it this way is so that we could have these pockets included and have enough space for the bulk of the rest of our book. Okay, so I'll lay like that. Okay, and we'll be back with more videos. Thanks for watching.